Now I will explain how to add symbols for real-time data. So first let's log in. So once you log in successfully, AmiBroker will open along with EzAlgo. If we go to the symbol section, we will see all the symbols available in AmiBroker. If you want to add new symbol into AmiBroker, all you have to do is select EzAlgo, and you see this Market Watch tab in EzAlgo. Click on it. If you do not have this Market Watch tab open, you can open the tab by clicking Open Market Watch button from the menu. I'll show it once again. Before that, let's close this existing Market Watch tab. So now the Market Watch tab is not available. To bring it up, we have to click on this Open Market Watch button. So once clicked, you will get this Market Watch window. This window has three sections. The first one, this one shows all the available symbols for getting the data. And the second one, this box displays the symbols that you have added for getting the real-time data. The symbols that are available in this window will receive data from the server and it will be updated in your AmiBroker software. And on the right hand side is the live market watch, which will display the live data. So to add any symbol to this second box, we have to filter the symbols. In the top section, the symbols are grouped in terms of exchange and then segment. So let's select some NSE symbols from future index. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, these indexes in futures are available in FUT IDS segment. So to add some symbols, expand that. First, we need to expand NSE, then expand future index segment. Here, once you click in the bottom section, you will see all the available futures instruments here. If you want to filter further, say for example, you want to select symbols that are traded in first month contract, you can either select I, so this will display all the symbols of the first month contract. We have already selected Nifty, so it is available here. If you want to remove Nifty futures from here, you can untick this box, so it will be removed from the right hand side box. So let's now add it once again. Just click on it, it will be added. And now let's add some Nifty option index. So for adding option index inside NSE exchange group, select option index segment. Here the instruments are further grouped by instrument name. If you expand this Nifty, you will see all the expiry dates. Since Nifty is weekly expiry, the expiry dates displayed here starts from the nearest weekly expiry. If you want to add Nifty options that are expiring on August 21st, you click on this expiry date. Now on the bottom section, it will display all the available instruments that are expiring on August 21st. So there are so many symbols. If you want to choose certain strike price, say for example 24,700 call option, you can directly click on it. It will be added to the selected symbols box. And click on Nifty 24,000 put option, it will be added here. But in some cases, you might want to select and add multiple symbols. Say for example 24,500 call option till 25,400 put option. So what you can do is first click on the symbol that you want to add and then scroll down. While selecting the end of the list that you want to add, hold shift key on your keyboard and click. Now we have selected all these symbols. In order to add these symbols to the selected symbols box, all you have to do is press the space bar on your keyboard. That's it. Now all these symbols are added. So let me repeat again. First, we have to select multiple symbols using Shift key. And after selecting all the desired symbols, you can simply press the space bar. So all the selected symbols are checked. The checked symbols will be added to the selected symbols box on the right hand side. Now let's add some symbols for Bank Nifty. Expand Bank Nifty options. You can select August 28th expiry. So now in the bottom section, it displays all the symbols that are expiring on August 28th. So you want to filter these symbols. There are a lot of symbols. It might be confusing to select each and every one. So what you can do is, say if you want to add 55,500 till 56,000. So you can select a range of strike prices by entering this beginning of the range and the end of the range. If you want to select 55,000, type 55,000. Now all the strike prices starting from 55,000 till 56,000 are displayed here. So all you have to do is press shift and select all the available symbols, then press spacebar on your keyboard. As you can see, once I pressed the spacebar, all the symbols that are selected are added to the right hand side box. So let's add some stocks now. You click on this stock segment. Now all the stocks are displayed on the bottom section. There are numerous stocks. You can either select them one by one like L&T, M&M, M&M Finance. The other way is to search for the specific symbol. For example, if you want to add Tata Motors, you can directly type Tata. Any few letters is enough. It will display all the symbols that has this set of characters in it. So Tata Chemical, Tata Com, Tata Motors. You can just click on the Tata Motors. The Tata Motors will now be added. And say TVS. So TVS Motors, TVS SCS. So all the stocks that has these TVS characters in the symbol name will be displayed. And let's add some BAJ, Bajaj Auto. So this is one way of adding a symbol. There is also another way of adding the symbol that you want. You can directly click here. There is another search box where you can find any symbols of your choice. ICICI, BANK. So here it will display all the stocks options. If you want to add ICICI Bank options, you press underscore and it will display the ICICI Bank symbols with the options symbol. So if you want to add ICICI Bank 1300 call option, it will display 1300. You can just click on this symbol. Now it is added. So in this box, you don't have to select which exchange or which segment. You can directly go in and type your desired symbol name. If you know the symbol name, if you're familiar with the symbol name, then this is the fastest way to add any stock in this list. But if you not aware of the symbol name, or if you want to add by selecting the instrument type, then this is the fastest way to add. First, you have to filter the symbols from the group and you have to add it.